Hey everybody, Graham here with another White Coat Webisode. Excited to talk a little bit today about how we market uniquely for dentist practices and what makes dental offices so unique compared to other practices or other specialties within the healthcare marketing mix. For one thing, you guys go to a totally different school. It's really considered an entirely different specialty. And I think it's important to note that we don't market you the exact same way that we market a doctor's office. Not at all. One of the things that I love about dental practices is how many of them are kind of one-stop shops. You know, you do the x-rays in the office. You guys tend to have everything. And so it's a great place to just get people through the doors. You know, I think there's a really good reason why we're doing teeth whitenings, why we want people to come back for those teeth whitenings. Or teeth cleanings, I should say. It's that when people come in to get their teeth cleaned, they get to see you, they get to meet you, they get to talk to you about maybe they want to upgrade to the whitening plan. Maybe they do need to come back to get a filling or have a cavity. You know, we want them coming in their office. We want them meeting with you. One of the best parts of dental hygiene is preventative medicine. And I think dentists do an awesome job at that. You know, the next thing that I think about is the story I'm always telling folks when I'm talking to medical professionals. I say things like, hey, it's not outcome that determines patient satisfaction, it's bedside manner. You know, it's funny, it's often not the dentist that determines whether or not somebody comes back, but the dental hygienist. You know, when you go see the dentist, it's the person cleaning your teeth that you see so often, that you're interfacing with the most frequently, and that you really get to build that relationship with. Dentists often pop in at the end, they double check the work, you wanna like the dentist, but the dentist really has 1 to 5 minutes where they're really making an impact. Whereas that relationship with your dental hygienist, oftentimes you know about their kids, they know about your kids, you know, that relationship is much, much, much deeper. And so really we wanna make sure that we're marketing that as well. So when you go to a dentist office website, it shouldn't just have the dentist, it should have the hygienist, it should have the whole team. It should have everybody that's working there to really highlight just what a family office you guys have and how welcome you're gonna be when you have somebody literally cleaning inside of your mouth, right? We really wanna make sure that it's a friendly, hygienic place to come and visit. How does that actually manifest itself in marketing? Well, first of all, you know, you're in a pretty competitive landscape, so we want to make sure that you're winning locally. People probably aren't going to drive an hour out of the way for a dentist office, but there also frequently tend to be quite a few dentist office per, you know, square city block. So we definitely want to make sure that you're beating your competition locally where you can really attract those new patients. How do we do that? It's by generating reviews. It's by having a really strong Google My Business profile or presence, uploading images to that platform, images of you, images of the whole team. We want to get smiling photos, pictures of everybody smiling. You know, smiles do sell. They sell across industries. They especially sell for dentist's office. The more smiles you can show, the better. Before and afters work really well here. Frankly, dental is one of the places where social media is really powerful because you do get to show those before and after images. It is a little bit more of a visual medium. And so something like Instagram tends to make a ton of sense. But for me, the biggest thing is, you know, best dentist in X, Y, and Z area, dental cleaning near me. If you have special services, if there are things that make you unique, make sure that you're advertising those. There are times when people are really looking for something, you know, specific, and they do want to come and see you, whether that's a tooth replacement, whether that's, you know, actual surgery, if you are an actual surgeon. We want to make sure that we're highlighting that as well. But so often what we're looking to do is build a relationship inside your local community, making sure that you're dominating local search and making sure that when your patients leave, they're incredibly happy so that they leave you reviews, so that they tell their peers about you, so that you can grow your office. And then again, grow your reach within that local community. Hopefully this clears up how we think about dental offices. Reach out to us, give us a call. We can be found at www.whitecoatweb.com. We're also all over social media if you want to reach us there. In either case, we would absolutely love to speak with you. We would love to tell you more about what makes you unique, what makes marketing to dental patients unique, and how we can help you grow your practice.